Oh, wait! Are you a laptop user? Here are 3 Chrome extensions you need to know. The sound of the audio is too low, you can't hear clearly. What to do? Download this Chrome extension, Volume Master. When you download it, you can raise up the volume of the voice as you want. While working on your laptop, you want to listen to some YouTube videos, for example, songs. So what to do? Download this Chrome extension, picture-in-picture floating video. Now minimize the video or the song and listen to it. When you want to log into a website and it requires an email for signing up, I don't want to use my main email. Download this Chrome extension, Temp Mail, this possible temporary mail. It will help you to log into any website just by clicking on this icon, and it will generate for you a Gmail. You can use it to log in, and it will give you a verification code also. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the channel for more tips and tricks.